Recently, while watching videos similar to the one I recorded about how to properly divide a square into 5 and 10 equal width strips, I stumbled upon an incredibly convenient solution. The author suggests folding the square diagonally at first. Then, make a fold so that the bottom side of the square lies on the diagonal. And finally, fold the sheet again, bringing the bottom edge this time to the obtained fold line. The final fold line at the intersection with the right side of the square will give us the necessary point, where, according to the author of the video, it divides the side of the square in a ratio of 1 to 5. Let's check how true this is from a geometric point of view. For those who haven't seen my previous video, I will specifically leave a link in the description. Now let's take our square and draw a diagonal on it. Now let's depict the fold and be sure to show the fold line. Alright, next let's make another fold. Good. Here's our coveted point. What do we know about this square? This is side of the square. Let's call it A. This is also the side of the square. Well, this and this too. In search of evidence, I have dug through quite a few approaches, but to save time, I will show you the quickest and simplest one. Let's consider this triangle. Obviously, this angle is half of 90-degree angle. That is 45. This angle equals half of this one, that is 22.5, because it's the same. These triangles are the same. This angle, let's call it alpha, equals half of this one, for the same reasons. So it's 11.25. Excellent. In this triangle, we know everything we need. The angle alpha, the side of the square A, and according to the theory we are testing, 1/5 of the side of the square. Let's call it x. So the final calculations. X equals A times the tangent of alpha. The tangent of 11.25 degrees is approximately 0.1989, which is not exactly but approximately equal to 1/5, that is 0.2. Thus, geometrically this method is not quite correct, but for domestic purposes it's quite applicable. So, write your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.